have some questions from Friday that I didn't manage to read.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, because I don't see more questions in regards to this topic.
You mean Thursday, not Friday, or they were sent out?
Sorry. Okay. Yeah, Thursday night. So, okay, the first one is a very long one, so I believe we're gonna have to do it in parts. Says Shalom Kol Halav. Someone wanted me to ask a question for them. In Parashas Bereshit, where God is creating the world, the Vilna Gaon notes the sequence of creations of the first 3 days and those of the next 3 paralleled and complemented one another. Light was created on the first day, and the luminaries were set in place on the 4th. Okay. The seas and atmosphere were created on the 2nd day, and aquatic and bird life were created on the 5th, etc.
Okay.
Also, when we look in the Parashat Shemos, the commentary says the plagues were consisted of sets. Each set had 3 plagues before beginning a new set. And also with Abraham and the Akedah, it says when Abraham awoke early in the morning and went to the place which God had indicated to him, on the 3rd day he perceived the place from afar. Okay. So the question is, if there is any significance of starting your plans on the first day of the week with the goal of finishing with the goal of finishing on the 3rd. Also, okay, so this is
the first part of the question. I mean, it's some kind of Kabbalistic question. So I said I would say plan whenever you want, but and do it so it's possible. I don't think it's my personal take. I mean, don't procrastinate. If you can finish today or tomorrow, don't wait until the 3rd day of the week. Who knows what happened? You understand? So don't wait. Maybe there is some Kabbalistic value to that, but we don't go by Kabbalah. We go by reality. So people get like today. I thought that I'm going to have my phone, but guess what? I don't have my phone, and I'm not going to have for a few days. With God's help, only a few days. But I plan that it's going to take 15 minutes. Okay. So we're trying to do it as soon as possible, whatever we can. Okay, what else?
Okay, so next part of the question. Also, will the intention matter? Like if the thing we're starting is to bring kabod to Hashem?
Intention, absolutely, it matters. Yes. It's actually, it says in Kitzur Shalom in the Talmud, it's all over the place when Talmud says if you were created, right, and brought to this world only to bring honor to Hashem, to reveal His glory in this world. So meaning if a person did not bring the glory to this world on this certain day, the day was wasted. Right? It's better that he would not count to this world. Right? So and that's why our sages say that in everything that we do, and Rambam explained also, right, that in Shmona Prakim, that we learn that all of the intention must be for the glory of Hashem. So I'm doing whatever I'm getting up this morning. Why? Because I have a privilege of serving Hashem. That's the only reason I'm getting off the bed. And then I brush my teeth. Why? Because I need to talk to Hashem, right? And it should be fresh breath. And I'm going to wash my face only. Why? Because it's for Kavod Hashem. And same is everything. I'm going to eat, so I have a strength to serve Hashem, to learn Torah. Right? So all of it's a big difference. Like if a person eats because he's hungry, she's hungry, or right, that's one thing. Maybe overeats, and or a person eats even the same amount, but for the higher course, there is no comparison. Okay. So the answer is yes. Kavanah is very important.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.